Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Virtual Learning Hub, and I am Devi Bhattacharya, and today we will discuss with some numerical problem about cost of debt. In previous video we understand what is cost of debt. You can take a look in the previous video. Without understand the previous video, you will not able to solve the numerical problems. I explain in very simple way what is cost of debt, and we make two formulas of redeemable debenture and irredeemable debenture. You can take a look. Now in today's video we will understand some numerical problems and we will solve it. You can write down the problem with me, or you can make a screenshot. So in question what they told is Mahadev Co Ltd has issued 30,000 irredeemable 14% debenture of 150 each. The cost of flotation of debenture is 5% of the issued amount, and tax there is given as 40%. We need to calculate the cost of debt. Now here we need to put the formula of irredeemable debenture. As we know, there is no value of years, and there is no certain amount of redeemable debenture. So the formula is easy, as we understand in previous video. There is interest and adjusted tax and the issuing price as RS. So the total issued amount, which is 30,000 share 150 each. 30k into 150, this is the price, will be 45 lakh. 45 lakh. If you deduct flotation cost, we know that we have to deduct the flotation cost with the issuing price, which is 5% of that 45 lakh, which is 2,25,000. If you deduct, what you will get? 40, I think 40, 75, 42,75,000. So this is the net proceed. And what is the value of interest? Value of interest is 45 lakh into, what is the interest? 14%, which will be 6,30,000. So value of interest 6,30,000. What is the tax amount? 0.4. What is the issued price as the net proceed? If we calculate this, it will be 3,78,000 by 42.75, which will be 0.0884 as 8.84%. So this is the cost of debt. So this is very easy, I think, as there is no value of years and no premium, no redeemable price of the share, as this is the formula of cost of irredeemable debenture.